Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix. If your PlayStation does not run any games, then you have come to the right place. We will show you step-by-step tutorial to resolve the problem easily. Before we start, if you found this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. So, let's start it. Step 1. Restart the PlayStation console by unplug power cable. A simple and easy way to fix the error is to restart the PlayStation console. Unplug the PlayStation power cable from the wall outlet. Additionally, it would be best if you disconnected any peripherals connected to the PlayStation, such as the DualSense controller. Leave the PlayStation console in this state for about 3 minutes. Then plug the PlayStation power cable back into the wall outlet. After that, check and see if the issue has been removed. Step 2. Clear cache memory on PlayStation. You can solve PlayStation stuck at the loading screen by clearing PlayStation cache memory and then switching between games to refresh the game data. Step 3. Reinstall the faulty game or app. You may face the PlayStation cannot open game or app issue when the game or application is not installed correctly, or some of its core files are missing or corrupted. Reinstalling may help to resolve the problem. Step 4. Update the system software. Outdated software versions can cause several problems or malfunctions. Step 5. Change setting the gaming preset to performance mode. Open settings on your PlayStation. Then, go to Save Data and Game or App Settings. Then, navigate to the Game Presets tab. Select Performance Mode or Resolution Mode. Change it to Performance Mode from Game Default. Then, restart your PlayStation. Then, open the game that wasn't starting, and it will run smoothly. Step 6. Factory reset PlayStation. If your PlayStation can't run a game or app, you can factory reset PlayStation to remove this issue. So, that's the whole story. My friends, we've covered the steps to fix PlayStation cannot start game or app. If you face any problems or still have same experience, please leave a comment here. I will be happy to help you. If you discovered this video beneficial, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for additional tech tips and tutorials. For any inquiries or if you require further assistance, feel at ease to leave a comment below. Appreciate your time spent watching this video, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our upcoming content.